everyone, welcome back to MF Cars Review. Today, we're diving into Chevy's all-electric future right here in the USA, highlighting the brand new 2026 Silverado EV, as well as the updated 2026 Equinox and the electrifying Equinox EV. We'll explore design, tech, performance, and why these models are charging up the market. Let's plug in and get started. Let's begin with the 2026 Chevy Equinox, the latest version of the compact SUV that continues to blend practicality with modern styling. On the outside, the Equinox has a refreshed design with a more aggressive front grille, sharp body lines, slimmer taillights, and new trim-specific touches. The RS model has a sportier look with blacked-out badging, 19-inch wheels, and red interior stitching. Meanwhile, the ACT EV trim leans more adventurous, with all-terrain tires, unique suspension tuning, and a rugged off-road vibe. Inside, Chevrolet steps up the tech game. Every model comes with dual screens, an 11.3-inch center touchscreen and an 11-inch digital gauge cluster. There's built-in Google Assistant, wireless phone charging, smart storage compartments, and optional features like a hands-free liftgate. The cabin materials feel more upscale, especially in the RS and ACT EV trims, with Evitex or suede microfiber upholstery and detailed stitching. Under the hood, the Equinox is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder making 175 horsepower. It pairs with front-wheel drive as standard, or optional all-wheel drive for extra capability. Towing capacity maxes at 1,500 pounds with AWD, and fuel economy hovers around 26 mpg city and 28 mpg highway on FWD, slightly less with AWD. It's not a rocket ship, with a 0 to 60 time of about 8.6 seconds, but it's more than enough for everyday commuting and family duties. Safety tech is another highlight, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision alerts, and even a 360-degree camera option. Now let's switch gears to the all-electric 2026 Equinox EV. This one is all about making EV ownership accessible. Pricing starts around $36,495 for the base model and climbs to about $45,595 depending on trim and options, which is one of the most affordable entries into the EV crossover space. Performance comes in two flavors: front-wheel drive with a single motor making 220 horsepower, or an all-wheel drive dual-motor version pushing output to 300 horsepower. Acceleration is respectable, about 7.7 seconds from 0 to 60 with FWD, and a sportier 5.8 seconds with AWD. Range is a big selling point, up to 319 miles estimated on the FWD model, and about 307 miles with AWD. Real-world testing shows closer to 260 miles at highway speeds, but that's still competitive. Charging is quick, too. DC fast charging can add about 70 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Chevy also ensures compatibility with multiple charging networks, including Tesla's superchargers, thanks to NACS support. Inside, the Equinox EV takes heavy inspiration from the Silverado EV with a digital driver display and a massive 17.7-inch infotainment screen. Upper trims add heated and power-adjustable seats, a panoramic sunroof, onboard Wi-Fi, and integrated Google Maps and Spotify. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto aren't supported, but Google built-in does much of the heavy lifting. Safety comes standard with emergency braking, lane assist, and auto high beams, while higher trims offer Super Cruise, Chevrolet's hands-free driving system. Warranty coverage includes 3 years or 36,000 miles for the vehicle, 5 years or 60,000 miles for the powertrain, and 8 years or 100,000 miles for the battery and EV components. Chevy also provides one complimentary maintenance visit. Production officially began on August 4, 2025, so these should be arriving at dealerships now. And now for the star of the show, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV. This is Chevy's flagship electric truck, and it makes a serious statement. The big news is the addition of the Trail Boss trim to the lineup, joining the work truck and LT models. The base work truck now starts at $54,895, while the Trail Boss begins at $72,095 with extended range and tops out near $88,695 with the max range battery. Speaking of range, the Silverado EV impresses with up to 493 miles on the work truck with the largest battery. The Trail Boss delivers around 478 miles on its max range setup, which is still outstanding for a rugged off-road variant. Power is equally impressive. The Trail Boss pumps out 725 horsepower and 775 pound-feet of torque. That translates into serious capability, towing up to 12,500 pounds and carrying a payload of 2,100 pounds. Off-road equipment is extensive, with a factory 2-inch lift, 35-inch all-terrain tires, terrain mode, sharper four-wheel steering, and even Sidewinder diagonal drive for tricky trails. The Trail Boss also has distinct styling cues that make it stand out. On the tech side, Every Silverado EV now comes standard with a 17.7-inch infotainment display and an 11-inch digital driver screen. The work truck gets these upgrades for the first time in 2026. Features like the multi-flex midgate, off-board power with up to 10.2 kilowatts output, and the wide-open watts performance mode give the Silverado EV serious versatility. Super Cruise has been updated too, with Google Maps integration and hands-free towing support. Chevrolet even proved the Silverado EV's potential with a record-setting range demonstration. A work truck with the max range battery drove 1,059.2 miles on a single charge under controlled, low-speed conditions. That's more than double the EPA rating, showing how advanced GM's Ultium battery technology really is. So, there you have it, the 2026 Equinox, the Equinox EV, and the Silverado EV. Together they represent Chevrolet's commitment to both traditional buyers and EV enthusiasts. The Equinox offers a practical, tech-forward SUV for families. The Equinox EV brings affordable electric driving to the masses with strong range and modern features. And the Silverado EV proves that electric trucks can be powerful, capable, and even record-breaking. The big question is, which one excites you the most? Is it the rugged Silverado EV Trail Boss, the family-friendly Equinox, or the affordable Equinox EV? Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to MF Cars Review for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and test drives. Make sure to turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming EV coverage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.